TypeScript enums look simple, but choosing the wrong type can cause runtime bugs. Let's break down the key differences. Numeric enums auto-increment from 0 by default. When you declare a numeric enum, TypeScript assigns 0 to the first member, 1 to the second, and so on. You can also set a custom start value and the rest will increment from there. String enums are different. Every member must have an explicit string value assigned. You cannot rely on auto-increment. This makes string enums more verbose but also more intentional. Here's where it gets interesting. Numeric enums support reverse mapping. You can look up the enum member name using its numeric value at runtime. String enums do not have this feature. Once compiled, you can only go from member name to string value, not the other way around. This is a major behavioral difference. At runtime, string enums produce readable string values, making logs and debugging easier. Numeric enums just give you numbers. Additionally, numeric enums can use computed or constant expressions as values, while string enums are limited to literal strings only. So string enums are simpler and safer. Numeric enums are more flexible but harder to read. Bottom line, use numeric enums when you need reverse mapping or computed values. Use string enums when you want readable, explicit runtime values. Now go practice this in your next TypeScript project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.